Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and a little something that was actually interesting today. So on the Insider Preview builds, we had a new build, which was 21359, but it comes with a little warning that the sync capabilities of Timeline is not working, and now that is leading to speculations that Timeline feature that Microsoft really had a lot of talk about. And Timeline features this little feature here. If I click, you're going to see it. It gives you what you've done in your computer for 30 days. And you can even see more than 30 days, actually. So you see here all the videos that I've done, actually. So this feature that I found was interesting is maybe going away in the future. And Microsoft did say something that I think is very valid. Apart from the fact, so for example, here I see videos. That would not sync if it wasn't for that. But in terms of web browsing, all the browsers, when you actually have an account, sync in between your machines. So there's already, all the information that you want syncing together. So if you look at the fact that probably the majority of what shows up in the timeline is browser history, basically, it's kind of understandable that maybe they're thinking, you know what, maybe that feature isn't necessary. So if you're on a regular version of Windows 10, this continues to work. But insiders and the new dev build, what's going to happen is what you do on the PC is still going to be logged, but it's not going to be transferred to other PC. There's no syncing capabilities. And like I said, for a lot of people, this maybe sounds like the end of Timeline or the slow death of Timeline. It's interesting because this feature appeared somewhere in, I believe, 2017. Was a very big feature. Microsoft really talked so much about it, and yet nobody, they pushed it, and honestly, I don't know who uses it. I think a lot of people see this and don't use it at all, or don't even know what it is. So maybe we're moving on to a new version of Windows eventually. Maybe 21H2 won't include Timeline. It's going to be interesting to see. And to observe the follow-up, what's going to happen next in this feature for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.